Hey everyone, so this is how you can quickly change between apps on an Android phone. I have the Samsung S22 Ultra and a Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G over here. So like I have two apps open here. So say you're on Chrome, and you want to switch to like a calculator or something, you can quickly change. So quick that is between these apps. And see how quickly that is. So in order to do that, and then that also works for opening apps as well. The way you do that is by reducing your animations. So I will show that off on the Samsung here. So you go into your settings. You can just do a search for it. Just search for animations. And then remove animations. And remove animations, turn that on. Just with that off. See how much slower that is. It's still pretty quick, but it's definitely slower. Turn that on. So much faster. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.